Namaste everyone. Today is 22nd December. This day is commonly celebrated as the National Mathematics Day. Math is a very important part of our lives. From making purchases to allocating your monthly pocket money to measuring quantities while cooking. All of us use math in our day-to-day activities even without realizing it. Have you ever wondered how these magical mathematical concepts have arrived and who are the people behind their invention? Well, today me, Amishi Singh and my friends Aditya S. Kumar and Agrim Jain are going to answer all these questions. Every year, our country celebrates National Mathematics Day on December 22 to celebrate the birth anniversary of mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. Born in 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu, the story of Ramanujan's love with mathematics is one of the most engaging tales read, depicted and performed through various works of art. From his childhood, he had a huge passion for mathematics. So much so that at the age of 12, he had mastered trigonometry and developed many theorems on his own with no assistance. He was awarded a scholarship to study at Government Art College, but he eventually lost it due to his poor performance in other subjects. He ran away from home and enrolled himself at a college in Madras. His breakthrough finally came in 1913 when Ramanujan wrote to G.S. Hardy. The British mathematician, on realizing Ramanujan's genius, wrote back to him and invited him to London. Hardy then got Ramanujan into Trinity College, Cambridge, and what began was a captivating saga of success. In 1917, Ramanujan was elected to be a member of the London Mathematical Society. In 1918, he also became a Fellow of the Royal Society, becoming the youngest person to achieve the feat. The London weather and the poor eating habits were slowly affecting the health of Ramanujan, and he took his last breath at an age of 32. The mathematics wizard made a significant contribution in the world of mathematics. He is truly an inspiration for every student all across the world.
Aryabhat. Aryabhat was the first person to say that the earth is spherical and it revolves around the sun, and stated the correct number of days in a year, that is 365. He also gave the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Further, he worked on the place value system using letters to signify numbers and stating qualities. Brahmagupta. Introduction of zero to mathematics, which stood for nothing, was the biggest contribution of Brahmagupta. He also explained how to find the cube and cube root of an integer and gave rules facilitating the computation of squares and square roots. Satyendra Nath Bose. Known for his collaboration with Albert Einstein, Satyendra Nath Bose established modern theoretical physics in India. Bose made significant advances in statistical mechanics and quantum statistics, the description of all forces by single field theory, X-ray diffraction, and the interaction of electromagnetic waves with the ionosphere. Bhaskara. Bhaskara, an Indian astronomer and mathematician, helped to disseminate the mathematical work of Aryabhat. He was the one who declared that any number divided by 0 is infinity and that the sum of any number and infinity is also infinity. He is also famous for his book Siddhanta Shiromani.
We all know about the Hardy Ramanujan number 1729, the smallest number that can be depicted as the sum of cube of two numbers in two different ways. It can be written as the sum of 1 cube and 12 cube, and can also be written as the sum of 9 cube and 10 cube. The following scene is from the biopic of Srinivasa Ramanujan, The Man Who Knew Infinity. This scene shows how he discovered the uniqueness of this number.
Sorry I'm late. Bloody cab driver got lost. Should have known from his number.
And what was that?
Rather a dull one. 1729.
No, Hardy. It is a very interesting number. It is the smallest number expressible as the sum of two cubes in two different ways.
Have you notified your family? Just not her.
I don't even know if she got my letter.